Good morning from Berlin. I'm Andrew McFarlane, and this morning I have with me Carsten Thalheimer. He's a solutions architect for XVM EMEA. Now, Carsten, create technologies because we need them. What is SunRay, and what's the reason for creating this technology?
Well, about 10 years ago, Larry Ellison spoke about the desktop as a ridiculous device. When you look at the SunRay technology as of today, Larry Ellison was probably true. The SunRay technology is a dumb, stateless device which provides secure access from pretty much everywhere to the data center and to my desktop running in the data center.
Say more about what SunRay technology consists of.
Yes. When you think of a workstation running an operating system, basically it's the same as running a SunRay technology. The only difference is that the operating system and the execution of all the applications is running in a data center, and the SunRay technology provides you the access to your data center application, to your data center desktop via a network-based protocol. So it's more or less just a remote graphics card to a session running in a virtual environment.
From a university perspective, how has SunRay been used? Are there specific examples of kind of how the technology applies within the university context?
The operational costs and the management costs, they are greatly decreased using the SunRay technology. Just look at the power consumption as an example, whereby when you run a workstation, typically needs about 80 to 100 watts. A SunRay typically needs about 5. So this increases the price, or this increases the operational costs heavily.
Now, you talked there about the university perspective, but we're students, and so we're very interested in what sort of benefits we can get from this. Why not just have PCs in labs running, say, any operating system on it that we can just access by going into the building? Does SunRay Thin client software and hardware offer us anything above that?
Yes, of course it does. So when you just think of mobility, of flexibility, of security, everything is greatly increased using the SunRay technology. You don't need a notebook running your own software and your own operating system anymore. You can simply have this one desktop running in the data center in your university, provided the application from the university, and you can simply access it from everywhere, getting a whole lot more power comparing an old workstation or notebook.
So is it like, for instance, that if there's expensive software on a lab's computer that basically I probably can't afford to run at home, then all I need to do is simply log in to the SunRay from home, and then I can use it? Is it a virtual session?
Yes, it is. So you can access your session either with a SunRay technology or even with a browser technology from every client which is available. From Java-enabled browser technology, just access the data center in the university.
Are there opportunities with the SunRay for e-learning?
Yes, they are. Because you've got access to the data center pretty much at every time from everywhere in the world, simply using the SunRay or browser technology, you can simply get content like teacher sessions, like e-learning, like scripts and these things, pretty much every time when you want it and pretty much everywhere in the world.
Carsten Thalheimer, thank you for your time.
Thanks.